Hey guys, how's it going? Don Martone here, Century 21 Northeast, managing partner, broker associate at Century 21. 2020, man, what a year. It's been a challenge for a lot of people. It's been a really great success for me. Case in point, my new listing, 74 Westwood Ave in Cranston, 02905. This is the first property I have ever sold. Pretty exciting. 1,500 square feet, 4,000 square foot lot. I am abutting Roger Williams Park, and we're in the Edgewood neighborhood of Cranston. Very desirable area. After repair value, really good on this. This is on the market for $238,900. It's an as-is sale, meaning you're gonna have to fix it up. Not gonna be FHA. I'm excited to show you this house as it is now.